Hey, what's up, my smelly friends? Rice Frakes 34. Just another quick unboxing for you. This one is from Centauri Perfumes. Hope you can see that in there. So very cool. Box. So nice packaging as always. This one is their new one. I believe it was limited to 68, but I love how personable he is. Best wishes, Peter. So thank you so much. Been a friend of mine through the years. We both he came a little bit after me for fragrance reviews, but so this one is the limited edition Meera. Again, another personable. Oh, cool. He did send a sample actually. Check that out real quick. Get in here. Hope you guys are all doing well. I love unboxing videos. I know they're just nice and short and sweet. And again, I don't really talk too much about the fragrance because I need to wear it a little bit, but oh yeah, cool. This is the one I actually wanted to try, Vanillium. I don't believe I tried that one yet, so nice samples. I love that he has the sample sprays, which are great. The dabbers are fine too, but the sprays are kind of nice because you get the full feel of the opening and the dry down in the middle. But there's that. All right, let's get into this. I love his presentations, his bottle. He did such a great job with his bottles. So. The box is nice, of course. So here we are, Meera. Front, let's check it out. Oh, that's cool. 25 out of 38. Gives you all the notes, and it's pretty cool that I love how old the notes are and how many years it's all described in there. So I love his little cards that he gives you with the Meera notes in there, of course. And there it is. So like I said, I love his bottles. Just so classy, and sprayers are really nice on there too. So, but I will do a full review on this shortly. I always like to wear it about 4 or 5 times just to give you guys a good feel for it, and give me a good feel for it. So, but guys, there it is, the new limited edition to 68 bottles, I believe, Meera. And yeah, the presentation is really amazing. So. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. I will talk to you soon, and thank you as always for giving me the support with my channel, and I truly appreciate you guys. Thanks.